Hi, I'm Andrea Schball, co-owner and president of Polk Majestic Travel Group. Most of us know what to expect when we buy something online, even travel. But chances are you don't know what a wonderful experience you could have if you book your next vacation with us. A few months ago, we received a call from Dave, who was trying to book his family of 7 on a cruise this summer with a very modest budget. He was having trouble with the cruise line's website, and he wasn't even sure if what he was trying to book was the right cruise. So he called us for help. He told us what kind of experience he wanted for his family, and we handled all of the arrangements. We worked within his budget and made the seemingly monumental task of planning a trip for 7 a non-issue. When he returned, Dave sent me an email, and he said, "Your interaction with us was textbook perfect on why you want to book with a travel agent rather than doing it yourself. I have many great family memories now because of it. Thank you." In the end, instead of worrying about a tight budget and careful planning, Dave could focus on just having fun. A few weeks ago, we were able to offer one couple a luxury cruise for the same price they saw on the cruise line's website. Why did they book with us instead of directly with the cruise line? We included a $1,000 spa or shipboard credit, access to a private cocktail reception, and an exclusive onboard host to guide their trip. Can we add a $1,000 credit to every vacation? While I can't always answer yes to that question, I can promise that whether you are planning a budget-friendly family vacation, a romantic getaway for 2, the adventure of your life, or anything else you can dream of, Polk Majestic will ensure you get the best value for your travel experience. Please call me or any of the travel consultants the next time you're ready to take off, and remember, it's the experience.